increase Snapscore fast by 1000 per minute on Snapchat. So if you want to increase Snapscore fast by 1000 per minute on Snapchat, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Snapchat at first. After opening your Snapchat, you just need simply go with your profile, which is on the upper left. From the profile, you need to go with settings, which is on the top right, and scroll all the way down and go with logout. Tap on logout. Once you log out, now you can go with sign up or switch account and create account. But if you don't have your phone number or your email address to create some accounts, then you can search for temp mail or temp number, which will provide you some temporary email addresses. So you just need simply go and copy the temporary email address from these websites and go and paste it on that Snapchat creation page and create some Snapchat account. After creating 4 to 5 Snapchat accounts, you just need simply go and log into your main account. And once you're on your main account, you need to go with the right side, which has that drop down, go with Multisnap, and here you need to take at least 20 snaps. You'll be able to take 20 snaps on the Multisnap. Tap on OK, and once you've taken 20 snaps, now you just need simply go with send to, which is on the bottom right, and send it to your accounts that you've just created. Make sure that you've added your accounts as a friend, and once you've added, you need to just go with those accounts that you've created and then send your snaps to those created accounts. And in this way, you'll be able to increase your Snapscore fast. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.